Hey, ninth grade. Welcome to the first day of online school. So what I've done is I've rewound back to the beginning, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through all the little finer pieces that we probably skipped over to get where we're at today. So beginning with the vocabulary, okay, so we've got this expression 4v plus 1 plus 9u. So we're going to select all the true things. So this is written as a product of three factors. Not true. This is not a product, it's a sum. And these are not factors. Okay? Written as the sum of three terms. Yes. Things that are separated by addition or subtraction are called terms. So there are three things separated by addition. So there are three terms, and it is a sum because it's addition. 1 is a constant. Yes, 1 is a constant. Any number, like 1, 10, 25, pi, those are constants. Those are numbers that are always the same. They never change. So 9u and 1 are like terms. Not true. Okay? Like terms have the same variable with the same power. So like 9u and 20u would be like terms. 7 and pi would be like terms. They're both constants. Okay? 9 is a coefficient. Notice that 9 is in front of the u. It's multiplying the u. That is what a coefficient is. It's a number with a variable. So you could have 10v to the third. 10 is a coefficient. Okay, so this I would check here, I would check here, and I would check here. Okay, so let's look at another problem. Just going through. 2, let's see. So 109 miles this week. He drove D miles. Last week, Alonzo drove 109. This week, he drove D. Write an expression for the total miles. Okay, so 109 plus D. That was easy. The sum of 8 and twice Victor's age. 8 plus the sum twice Victor's age. Use V to represent Victor's age. 8 plus 2V. The sum. 8 and twice, 2 times, Victor's age, V. Don't forget, use pause. If I went too fast and I didn't give you enough time to digest it, go back, watch it again, and pause it afterwards. Okay, I don't want to have you with an hour-long video here. The product of Chrissy's age and 8 is 96. Use C to represent Chrissy's age. Chrissy's age times 8 is 96. You might write 8C equals 96, because that's the way we've been doing things, okay? Twice the difference of a number and 7 equals 8. The difference of a number and 7. Twice the difference of a number. Oh, use B for the unknown. 2 times B. Twice the difference of a number and 7. The difference of a number and 7 equals 8. I'm going to try that one because sometimes you get the difference backwards and it's going to be wrong. I'm going to just make sure before I send you on your own. Okay, so the difference of a number and 7 means the number minus 7, not 7 minus the number. That's important. difference of a number, b and 7, b minus 7, equals 8. Twice the difference of a number and 7 equals 8. Okay? Two movies each month. Write an equation, show the movie's end that he will watch in m months. Two movies each month. The number of movies that he will watch is equal to 2 each month. Two variables. The number of movies that he'll watch is equal to 2 each month. So if it's 10 months, he'll watch 2 times 10, he'll watch 20 movies. If it's 3 months, he'll watch 2 times 3, or 6 movies. Okay, so here we are again with vocabulary. Select all of the equivalent expressions. Well, let's do the math here. 4 times 8. 8 and 8, 16. 16, 16, 32. You can use a calculator because you don't think like me, maybe. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. 32x minus 12. That's not it. 4 times 8x minus 4 times 3. That's right. 32x minus 12. That's right. This? No. Okay, so here's the math that we did. We distributed, and here's what it equals. Okay, now let's come to this one. 7y plus 3y plus 4y. 7 plus 3 plus 4 times y, 14y. Is it the same as 7 plus 7y plus 7y? Yeah, it is, actually. Is it this one? No, because we can't turn plus into minus. Is it this one? Yes. Is it this one? No. Heck no. Okay? Okay, so another one like that. Find the slope and the y-intercept. Well, we got to know this by now. The slope is 9, the y-intercept is -1. Right? Y equals the slope m times x plus b, the y-intercept. Slope is 9, the y-intercept is -1. Again, slope y-intercept. Okay, don't make me do the rap song. Get y alone. Get y alone. Do the intercept. Do the intercept. Okay, get y alone. Now, last step. So y equals negative over negative positive 7/4 times x, minus over minus plus 16 over 4, 4. The slope is 7/4, 7 over 4. The y-intercept is 4. You get y alone. You just do the math, solve it. Get y alone, and then you have a slope and an intercept. Now some of you are saying to yourselves, hey, I can do this, and I never could before. Well, that's a great thing. You have learned so much. You've come so far. This is a great time for you to be able to prove that to yourself. Okay? Jim is a software salesman. X is the number of copies of history is fun that he sells. Suppose X and Y are related this way. Okay, answer below. What is the change in his total pay for each copy of history he sells? Well, the change, remember, equals y, we could just say y equals m, measure of change, times x, plus the beginning, the b. So what's the change? Is 90. What's the total pay if he doesn't sell any? Well, he begins with $2,500, and then he gets $90 for each one. So if he doesn't sell any, he's still got that $2,500. So this would be 2,500. This would be 90. This would be M. This would be B. So from this point, I'm just going to pick another one. Let's see. Oh, domain and range. So the domain is 0, -5, 1, and 3. All of the x's. The range is all of the y's. Okay, let's review. And lastly, a road that originally measured 52 miles, so that's at the beginning. They're adding 1 mile, 1 times each day, 1 mile. Okay, so after 21 days, 52 plus 21, 73. And finally, oh, this is a fun one. Put in a -2, then put in a -1, or use the table function on your calculator. Okay? Anyway, if you have questions about anything, just feel free to email me. I will be getting the office hour app up soon and notifying you of it. So thank you for your time, attention, and attention.